EUYBIKE K6F full suspension e-bike. This is a single motor e-bike. We've been running it for about 4 days out here in Missouri, enjoying a little bit of deer hunting. And I'll tell you what, it's a good looking bike. It's well built. It was super easy to assemble. The power switch is right here. You simply hold it down to turn it on and hold it down to turn it off. This adjusts your power output levels. It's got hydraulic disc brakes, I should say. It's got a Shimano drivetrain. Comes with guards for the lower pivot and pedal assembly. Comes with a derailleur guard, and you've got your back storage area. You can put bags and such on it. This would hold a headlight. We don't have it mounted right now. This is your shock compression and dampening adjustments up top. Like I said, it is full suspension. It actually pivots in the middle, and we really like it. We've been using it, like I said, for a couple of days. It's really quiet. It's really fast, unassisted. We've been hitting speeds of about 31 miles an hour. That's without us pedaling. We've gotten faster with pedaling. And yeah, like I said, quiet, easy to use, easy to assemble. We like it. Seems to be good quality. It's been on a bunch of dirt roads, and we've been taking it through the timber and everything. Good quality tires. We absolutely give it a thumbs up, and hope you enjoy this bike as much as we are.